As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two Charbroil portable grills, right? The Grill2Go X200, BOBFPMLI8, and the one-burner portable propane gas grill, B0BPWBXMTQ.
Yep, both seem decent for grilling on the go. What's jumping out at you?
Well, the Grill2Go X200 has a smaller cooking area, 200 square inches, compared to the other one's 240. But it boasts Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system. That's supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook more evenly.
Ah, good point. The other one doesn't mention that tech. But it does come with a 4-foot hose and adapter for connecting to a 20-pound propane tank, which is pretty handy. The Grill2Go X200, you'd have to buy that separately?
True, that's a definite plus. The Grill2Go uses those small, disposable 1-pound tanks unless you get an adapter. And speaking of heat, the Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner, but the other doesn't specify its BTU rating.
Right. Also, the Grill2Go is lighter, around 20 pounds, while the other grill is about 28.2 pounds. Might make a difference if you're carrying it any distance.
Definitely. Portability is key. The Grill2Go also has stainless steel grates, which are generally easier to clean, while the other has porcelain-coated grates. Both are supposed to be rust-resistant, though.
Good to know. What about the overall build?
The Grill2Go has a die-cast firebox and aluminum lid. Seems pretty rugged. The other one is painted porcelain. Oh! And the Grill2Go has a temperature gauge, channel on the hood, and push-button ignition.
The other grill has a temperature gauge as well, and also has push-button ignition.
Right. The Grill2Go comes with a lot of videos showing the product, while the B0BPWBXMTQ doesn't have any.
Okay, so to sum it up, the Grill2Go X200 is lighter, has TRU-Infrared and stainless grates, but you need an adapter for a larger propane tank. The other one is heavier, larger cooking area, but includes the hose and adapter. Is that about right?
Yeah, that's the gist of it. I think it really comes down to whether you value the TRU-Infrared and lighter weight, or the convenience of the included hose and adapter and larger cooking area. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.